Now, first we shall understand what is the meaning of lingualism. Lingualism means a place where people speaking different languages. Lingualism means having many languages. And second point, the multilingual nature of India. As you know, India is a very big country, and unity in diversity is one of the major characteristic of this vast country. India has India is multilingual country, multi-religious country, multicultural country, multi-social country, and multi-geographical country. People here speaking different languages. They belong to different cultures. They are wearing different uniform, clothes. Their folk songs are different. So, India is a multilingual country. According to the census 1971, there were 380 languages and dialects in India. In different part, the people are speaking different languages, like Kashmiri, in Punjab, Punjabi, in Rajasthan, Hindi, or Rajasthani dialects. There are so many dialects also. Dialect and language means language has script, but dialect has no script. Our Marwadi is a dialect which has no script. So Rajasthan, UP, and Madhya Pradesh, Hindi is the language, and there are different languages in different states. In real, India is a country of many countries, and unity in diversity means there are different people in different states. And now, in this urbanization and industrialization, in big industries are setting up, and people of different states collect at one place, and the children of different culture go to a school. In that situation, they cannot speak to each other, they cannot chat with each other. In that condition, English play a vital role, because English is small or big amount spoken all over India. For example, ONGC, there are people of different states, and the children going to school belong to different cultures. So they want to talk with each other, and they are forced to speak English to link as a link language. So, as a lingua franca, English is being used in India. Children and people are compelled to speak English. So, in this way, English multilingualism becomes a resource for the learning of English. But multilingualism in India is different from other countries like USA, Canada. In USA and Canada, multilingualism means people of different language, but they belong to different countries also. Their cultures are different, their heritage are different. But in India, Indian multilingualism is different from those countries. In India, it may be possible that the children speaking different languages, but their heritage is same, their country is same, and in small amount their culture is also similar to each other. So they don't feel so much agitation like in USA and Canada. Here, when they and all the languages of India are in small amount, there is some similarity. There is some similarity because their origin is from Sanskrit, like Marathi, Tandul. Tandul is rice. This is the Sanskrit word. So almost many words are understood by other person. So multilingualism of India is different from the other countries' multilingualism. Now multilingualism can be used as a resource because